What is going on, guys, and welcome to your second HTML and CSS coding tutorial. So last tutorial we looked at headers and paragraphs, and so this was our coding, and we added a title to our web page. This was our coding from last tutorial, and this tutorial we're gonna look at changing the font, changing the font for header 1. We're going to change color, text color for header 2, and we're going to change the size for the font size for the paragraph. We also last tutorial looked at line breaks and how to break up a paragraph, how to put a line break between a paragraph. And then we're going to look at the body and changing the background color for our website. So anyway, we're going to get stuck right into it. In the header 1, to change the we're going to change the font for this. So style equals in the quotations font. The code for changing the font is font-family. Then you need to put dot dot. I don't even know what they're called. Let me know in the comments. I need to know. We then need to put what font we're going to change it to. We're going to change it to Courier font. Then put a semicolon, and then finally close your quotations to tell it that's where it starts, that's where it ends. So on this side of these two dots, this font-family just tells it that's what we're changing. We're changing the font family. On this side, it tells it you're changing it to Courier, to the Courier font. So now if we go ahead and save this, go back to our website. There we go. Our header 1 is now in Courier font. Okay, so now we're going to change this header 2. We're going to change the color, font color. If you would like to give your font, give your text a little bit more pop, a little bit more emphasis, whatever, make the reader look at it a bit more. So to do that, very similar. All this is very similar. Style equals I think it's actually, it's just color. Always get mixed up with that. So it's just color. Then you put in your two dots, and then you whatever color. So we're going to change it to body. Make sure you spell it right. Have quotations in it, semicolon, quotations. Hit the save, and there we go. Now our header 2 font is blue. So what we're going to do now, we're going to change this is kind of dull, kind of small, too small for my liking. You make it a bit bigger, make it pop out, make it stand out a little bit more. So we're going to come down this paragraph, exactly the same. Style equals quotation marks, font size. Put in two dots, and we're going to make it 20 pixels. Put in semicolon, quotation marks, hit the save button, come back to our website, and now that paragraph is in nice big 20 pixel font. So now that's pretty cool. It's all standing out, looking nice, apart from this one, and we're just going to leave this one alone. It just sort of breaks it up. But the white background, so boring. So in our body, in our opening body tag, we're actually going to change the style in our opening body tag. So it's exactly the same, except we're going to use our background color, background dash color, and we're going to change it to pink. Let's change it to pink. Now obviously that's not going to work because I don't have, yes I do, oops. Okay, so that there will work. I thought I didn't have these quotation marks, but I forgot. I do. So now you can refresh this and we have a nice pink background, choreo header 1, blue header 2, and a nice 20 pixel paragraph with a header 6 to divide it all up. So that is all for this tutorial. Next tutorial we're going to start looking at putting in some tables, maybe an unordered list, an ordered list table, and yeah, some tables, some lists, and then maybe look at borders around the table. So there's a lot of things to cover with tables. So yeah, next few tutorials will be on that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, and yeah, keep HTMLing.